Welcome back to the Lumberjack Engineering, living room, actually. And I thought in this Christmas season that it'd be fun to show YouTube my Christmas tree. So we're going to take a look at each side of it, and then we'll talk about some other things real quick. Alright, over here on the right side of the Christmas tree, we have the ever a holiday classic TIE Interceptor. Never know when you might have to chase down those rebel scum. Speaking of those rebel scum, down here we've got Chewbacca carrying around C-3PO, full of holiday cheer. Oh yeah, and then we've got Snoopy and Woodstock. And then here on the left side of the tree, we've got the USS Enterprise, a 3D printed rocket ship. Everyone needs one of those. And Locutus a Borg. Because what's a Christmas tree without a Borg, I guess. But speaking of requirements for Christmas trees, this one has one that is notably absent. There's no star. Now, is a Christmas tree really a Christmas tree without a star? I don't think so. So that's actually the point of this video. I want to take you back over to the workbench and we'll talk about how we're going to tackle this issue. So I got to thinking, why do we use a star on top of the tree? Why does it have to be a star? Why can't it be something else? So maybe that's what I'll do this year. You know, I thought, hey, maybe I could put Mr. Ghost up there. You know, he glows in the dark. Or, hey, maybe this roll of toilet paper. But I guess this is really more Halloween. And I might need this later. So I guess both of those are out. Wait, I've got an idea. I'll be right back. Alright, if I don't have a star, and I don't have something that will work as a substitute, why don't I just make my own star? So, I ran to the bathroom to grab some supplies. I'm pretty sure I ought to be able to create a star out of these Q-tips. So, put that there, and then there. Oh, we're getting there. Oh, no. Aha. Crap. I only grabbed 4 Q-tips, and obviously I need 5. We're missing one right here. Oh, this can never work. Wait. Why don't I just 3D print one? I mean, that's what this channel's all about, right? Let's take you over to the printer, and let's get this thing started. Alright, you just saw this thing get printed and then painted via the Lumberjack exclusive Can-Cam, patent pending. And I went ahead and glued it, or I should say the two halves, together. So now that we've got our star, which is super reflective, that's actually kind of cool. Sorry, easily distracted. I also printed out this small little base or cone, the part that will actually sit on top of the tree. Although the hole was much too small when I printed it, so that was kind of a bummer. Pretty easy to fix though, just went ahead and drilled that out. However, I didn't have a drill bit the exact correct size. I didn't really feel like drilling it small and then filing it to get it to the correct size. So what I did was just oversize the hole by just a little bit. And then what we'll do is that we'll just put a dab of hot glue down in the hole, and that will hold it nice and secure. Now I don't necessarily recommend hot glue if you're going to have a part that's at all structural or anything like that. However, it does work well for filling gaps, and for this application it'll work great. So I'm just waiting for this to heat up, and I'll bring it back whenever it's hot enough. Alrighty, let's get this guy in here. Something like that. We'll just shove it down in there, and then visually align the thing. Wait for it to cool. And there we go. Perfectly sturdy enough for this application. So, I'm glad you guys came along for this project. It's just a quick, fun little thing to do before finals week start for us here. I will show you what this looks like on the tree, but before I go, I do want to say make sure you get subscribed, which is over here. Hit the like button, and then go follow me over on Instagram, where you'll find me under Lumberjack Engineering. See you guys in the next video.